Somebody had another question that I wanted to bring up real quick, and it's always going to be there. Is that what do you do as a backup? So the question is that how do you make sure that what you have is backed up, for example?
I would want to raise this question to Amazon. What do they do to back up the AWS? And maybe there are governments, even parts of the American government and others, who have the same question, and obviously they have had good answers from them. So we are in a good company with the data security and the backup systems that are in place.
Of everybody, because many years ago, we put our floppy disk or our backup drive onto the single computer and said that was safe. And today these things are very different. We go to AWS and we go to online services, and the reliability and backups we have are thousands of times more better or more reliable than what we did, many years ago. So I think that's a great question, and I think that just bringing that to our attention is really good.
Thank you for the question.
Very good. Yeah, good.